Most people don't fail because of a lack of motivation. They fail because they never had a real plan. Let's change that. Here is how to create a plan that actually works and doesn't fall apart after day 3. Step 1. Clarity. You need to know exactly what you want. Not get healthy. Not make money. Try this instead. I want to earn $1,000 a month from side income within 90 days. Or, I want to lose 10 pounds by the end of next month. Specific goals create specific action. Step 2. Break it down. Big goals feel overwhelming, so shrink the mountain. Ask, what's the first step I can take today? Make it so small, you can't say no. 5 minutes of writing, 10 push-ups, 1 cold email. Then repeat tomorrow. Step 3. Schedule it. Put it on your calendar. Make it a non-negotiable time block, like a meeting with your future self. If it's not scheduled, it won't happen. Step 4. Plan for failure. Yes, really. There will be off days, bad moods, distractions. Don't rely on motivation. Rely on systems. Meal prep, alarms, accountability buddies. Make it harder to fail, easier to succeed. Step 5. Weekly review. Check in with yourself. What worked? What didn't? Tweak the plan. A plan isn't set in stone. It's a living thing. Adjust it as you grow. Final thought. The best plan is not the most detailed. It's the one you can stick to. Start simple. Start now. And show up even when you don't feel like it. That's the art of making a plan that actually works.